Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just woke up. It's pretty late. I did sleep in, but I want to go ahead and get dressed and then do a little workout in the garage. Before I work out, I'm gonna be taking some of this high protein coffee, and then right after I'm going to have a shake. It's just a Fairlife protein shake. And then when I'm done working out, I need to clean my kitchen very bad. Super embarrassing at how messy it is. I just got a package from my mom yesterday, so it's in the trash, but that was in there. And then the shite coffee was also in there. I forgot it back home. That was in there. The living room isn't too bad. I just gotta pick up the blanket, take that upstairs and fix the pillows. And yes, he's in his kennel. He was being very bad, so he had to go in there for a little timeout. And it was a good thing because Honey got to eat her food without him coming, since they eat 2 different kinds of food. This is Ranger's blanket, so if you always see a blanket on the floor in my video, it's Ranger's. So my garage is pretty messy just because my husband has his friend's bike in here and then his tires. And we also have a project truck that my husband is working on. So all his tools are out over there, and then all his gear, of course. But I have my elliptical and then my mats and my little weights over there. So I'm gonna get a little workout in, and I brought the dogs in here because they're nosy and they like to sniff everything. So. Whew, I just finished working out. But now I'm gonna get that I need water. But now I'm gonna get that protein shake and just cool down on the couch real quick and watch some Netflix. And then I'm gonna start cleaning. guys, welcome back to the next day. So I forgot to continue filming yesterday, but I'm going to vlog today. My hair is a mess. Right now I'm just going through some things that I want to get rid of. Like, I'm planning to get rid of all these K-cups just because I have so many already. So I have that, and then I also have these that I need to move up here. So I just want to get it down to just one drawer. So I decluttered a lot of these that I just had too many of, or some that I just didn't really like the Twinkies and the Ding Dongs. So I'm gonna be getting rid of those. And then, honey, hi. And I also want to paint this today. Probably whatever paint that I have in my garage. But I want to paint this so we could put our vinyls in it, and this color just doesn't match the theme we have in our living room. So I'm going to paint this.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Okay, so now I'm going to make a cake and get a snack. This is what my pantry looks like. So now I'm thinking about making this. I'm gonna make this cake. And then this is the bars that I've been enjoying lately. They're from Trader Joe's. They're really good. But apparently this cake comes with frosting too. So I'm excited to try that. I'm gonna go ahead and get started.
World on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I lose my breath